Alright, both couches are now done. Bit off sync, but you get the idea. That one's a bunch of junk on it, you can't tell. Couch 1. Couch 2. That one turns into a futon also, in case you want to flip over or something. These guys can do flashing colors. You can change it manually, whatever color you want. Or you can also have them do a very slow changing color. All it is are these little LED bars from IKEA. Really enhances the look of everything. I love it. So yeah, second couch in place. Next update probably will be a projector screen over there. Yeah. Bye guys.